headed to M35. They're not used to having these rolly bags. Can they do tricks? Whee!
They're kind of cool.
She already ran me over once.
It's a tight corridor.
Yeah, tight corridor. Definitely, I was in the way.
Yeah.
I guess it's my fault. Some dummy forgot his spare batteries and his charger for his Sony camera, so most of this trip will be shot on the GoPro. Oopsie. Except for when we get to Iceland, I will see if I can find a store that sells a charger and spare batteries, because one battery in that camera only lasts like 15-20 minutes if I'm lucky. I guess if you're going to forget something for your trip, camera charger is the least of the worries. So there's worse things. Terminal 5 at O'Hare is like barren, nobody, compared to Terminal 2 and 3, which we normally fly out of. It's kind of sweet. TSA pre-check had 0 people in it. Went right through, cakewalk, easy peasy. What, are you going on the people mover? And she's trying to race me, and she gets the people mover, and I gotta walk. This isn't fair. She's already running on me, man. She stole the hit. Stole the hit. Look at her go. I hope them flippy floppies come falling apart on her. I'm working all day. I'm not running anywhere. She going. She left me. There may not be a lot of people, but there's a lot of ground to cover here. It's not even gym day? Yeah. I did legs yesterday at the gym. She ain't got nothing to talk about. Push-ups in the airport. Ooh, she's gonna have to. She has to do 201 push-ups before midnight every day. And it's already 6:15 and she's probably done none.
60.
Oh, she's done 60. Not bad. 141 to go. I have to do 0. It's the joy of going to the gym. Hers takes more discipline. Mine's easy. We're almost there. This place, seriously. I mean, this is middle of the day on a Tuesday, and it's like nobody here. The only thing that sucks is we got the wall. We didn't have it, but they shrunk our plane. Put us on a smaller one. At least we got to keep first class.
Yeah, almost.
So almost twice that we got bumped out of first class on this plane. So we made it on the plane. A little late. Yeah, it's supposed to be a 7:15, but I think we'll still be on time. 6:25 a.m. arrival, I think. So try and get a little bit of sleep, hopefully, maybe, because we're going to be going all day. So maybe we'll be up to 6 hours by then. We'll find out. Cheers, suckers. We've got Inspector Gadget checking out the monster, the Suzuki Swift. All sorts of horsepower. Turns out, if you ever come to Iceland, don't turn right on red.
No.
They told us it's a $1,200 fine if you turn right on red. So that's awful. So we got to be careful with that. Flip-flops.
Sandals.
Flip-flops. And it's, I don't know, it's 50 degrees and windy as all could be. And she's in sandals. Oh, we're gonna try and find our way out of here, and we literally have no plans. What would you do?
I'm so tall, I hit my knees.
You're so tall. She's like 5 foot nothing. Although my knees are also in there. Oh God. I think we both fell into the back seat.
Wait, oh, do it again.
Oh my God, are we ready for this? Yeah, that one was slow. The original was much better. So I guess this is technically day 1 of our trip. We really don't have any plans.
0.
We have hotels booked. We have a hotel booked here for 2 days. Then we come back, fly to Zurich. We have a hotel booked there for 2 days. Then we drive to St. Moritz in the Swiss Alps for 2 days. Then we drive from there to Ticino for an undetermined amount of time because I canceled the hotel we had booked there for 2 days. And that leaves us with a total, I think, 5 days without hotels right now. And we have literally nothing planned for any of this. So we are just winging this entire trip from scratch. So yeah, you guys get to come along with an impromptu trip, bouncing around. We might stop in Italy, we're not sure. She says we're stopping in Italy.
It's 48 degrees.
We'll see, it's 48 degrees. She'd rather it be 98 degrees.
Oh God, no, 88.
She missed that reference 100%. Right over her head. Blonde moment. 100%. Yeah, there she goes. Now she's got it. I'll give her a pass. We've been up for, I don't know what time. I don't even know what time it is at home. 4 in the morning, essentially.
3:38.
So, yeah, 3:38 in the morning. So close to 24 hours. And we're gonna go adventure. that's interesting. A U.S. Air Force fighter jet hanging out here. Wow. Wow. I hope you guys just heard how GPS attempted to pronounce that street name. Flukenflocken. Holy smokes. We have found our way home. Temporary home, I guess. Big tall 8-foot doors in here. Huge bathroom. Whole lot of natural light. Big windows. Couple seating areas. A balcony. Right in the downtown center. Everything seems super modern here. Definitely my style of design. How about you, honey?
I like it.
She likes it.
I'm trying to fight with the app.
I like it. We can't figure out how to pay for our parking. Number one, finding parking interesting. Number two, street lights are chaos here. And I mean, you live here, they're not chaos, but when you're an outsider coming in, it feels like chaos. You don't really know what's going on. We managed not to get hit, and I'm ready for a nap. I think we got cruise ships out there. Sure looks like it. Yeah, nap food or food nap, something along those lines. Definitely need one of the two or both. You already found yourself to a spinny seat?
Yep.
You're goofy. Yeah, no kidding, honey. That's what spinning does. We were so we got some food finally. Feeling a little bit more lifelike, so we're going out adventuring. Tried to stop at a camera store to get new batteries and a charger for the Sony, and they said 0% chance there's none on the island, none at Sony that they could get here today or tomorrow. So hopefully we'll have better luck in Switzerland finding those. But what we did forget at the gas station was crackers or bread, because a friend of ours told us to grab some when you're out adventuring, because there's wild horses that you can stop and feed, and they're amazing. So we just saw a few horses and made us think let's find the next gas station and see what we come up with.
Got a chocolate bar.
But she got a chocolate bar. We're gonna go try and find a waterfall. I think it's gonna be our first hunt for day one. Yeah, we found a quick spot to pull over just to get a couple pictures. Just hide right there. That looks freaking awesome. I almost want to just go hike out there. I have a feeling volcano steam down that way, so we're gonna venture down there and see what we come up with. And check out this hot car, man. Oh, let me tell you, she is just sexy, dead sexy. It's almost as awesome as the Yaris we had in Puerto Rico.
The Yaris is still at the top.
The Yaris is awesome. Travel hack for us, never rent nice stuff because we beat the bejeebus out of it usually. So we're gonna see what we can find next and we'll catch up with you. We were right, that was a waterfall we saw in the background as we were driving up. Drizzling a little bit, and I got a couple pictures with the Sony, and then it started raining too hard and I don't wanna junk that camera. So we're back to the GoPro. Welcome to the waterfalls. We're gonna walk up, check them out.
Maybe do a handstand.
Yeah, she wants to do handstands.
Of course.
Everywhere we go, handstands. But I want to get up there. How do we get to the top? There's another waterfall over there, another one down there. I don't know what our fascination is with waterfalls, but like everywhere we travel, it's like the number one thing. Must find waterfalls. When we get to Switzerland in a couple days, that's going to be top priority. We're supposed to have really good ones there. See if we find a way around the backside and find a way to the top of this thing. All right, I think we found some friends. Hi, friend. Man, he's coming in hot. I don't know, are these things friendly?
I don't know.
Are we about to find out? Am I about to get kicked by a sheep?
It's possible.
It is, I think it's possible. I think he's looking tough, like he's coming for us. Yeah, I think he's coming. I don't know, man. I guess I should have researched this. I don't want to turn my back on him. I don't know if he's friendly. You guys tell me. Am I making the right move getting away from this dude? Or are they usually pretty cool? So he's trotting at me. He's coming.
He's gonna go past us. There he goes.
Boom! There he goes. He's gone.
Oh.
Bah. Bah.
He's calling his friends.
Oh, he is. He's calling his friends. His friends are coming. They're trotting. These ones are a little slower. They're not so fast.
Oh, he's a little wide.
You thick, girl. Hey, goodbye. Zoom. Zoom. Oh, he's got Jack's hips.
Oh, he's wide.
All right, first look into a random path going into a pitch black hole full of bugs.
Bugs everywhere.
Bugs everywhere out here. Oh, it's slippery. Oh yeah, there's nowhere to go. It's a dead end.
Are you sure?
Yep, I'm sure. They tricked me. This really is just a picturesque place. Got the drowned rat head there. We've got about 2 hours of daylight left, and we're gonna try and find at least one more thing to explore and get in today before dark, and then make depending where we land, the 2 to 3 hour drive back to, I will mispronounce this, Reykjavik, to get to our apartment and sleep. Get some sleep. So we'll catch up to you guys wherever we find next. All right, next spot. Imagine this, another waterfall. This one's huge.
But it's not raining.
Huge. Man, I set her up for that and she didn't take it, but that's what she said. Come on, bro. What the hell? But the rain did let up and the clouds are lifting a little bit, so we can at least see almost to the top of the little mountain deals going on. Here is the other waterfall we just found. We're definitely going to be driving back in the dark tonight. For sure. Because it's almost 8 o'clock already. I think it's dark about 9:30. And we're at the point now where it'll be about a 3 hour drive back. So, this is awesome. This is why we need waterproof clothes. Because I would walk right up under that thing if I had the right clothes for it. I ditched her, and I ditched a good camera. Let's see how close I can get without getting completely drenched in this thing. Oh, this is awesome. It's amazing. Out of shape. She's trying to kill me. I'm only halfway there. Stairs go all the way down. Oh, I'm taking a break. She's killing me. And then it goes up and around to the back. I was doing cardio for like the last month, trying to make sure I was in decent enough shape to do some hiking this trip. One thing I left out was the Stairmaster to hike upstairs. If I don't see you guys, at least I died having fun. Oh, this is awesome. Well worth the hike up?
Yes.
She agrees. Worth the hike.
Panting.
Yep, still panting as well. Worth the hike up for sure. Oh, we didn't realize this. If you go through that spiffy little gate there, it'll actually get you to the river that feeds the waterfall. This is definitely some loose footing, slip and fall type stuff there. Worth every bit of the hike up here. We're gonna try one more before dark, and we're going the wrong way. We're headed away from the apartment to go try and find one more thing. Showed it was only like a 15-minute drive from where we were at, and I think we could beat like pitch black darkness, but it might be pretty dark when we get there. I mean, as you guys can see, the camera does not do justice. It's getting a bit dark.
And I see a lot of streetlights.
Yeah, streetlights everywhere. Nothing. Things aren't looking good. Parking lot is empty minus one van. Everything's gone. Almost dark. We can't get the satellite to pull up to see how far away where we're trying to go is once we're here. So we're gonna make a quick walk up that path and see what we can find. All right, we found something. Path to viewing point, 750 meters, about 10 minutes.
The path is that way.
The path is that way. I already see some glacier from here. It's cold. We're idiots. We were at a little mall today that had North Face and 66 degrees. I mentioned that we should probably buy hats at least while we were there. Nah, we didn't do that.
I said I would be fine.
She'd be fine. Yeah, we're super smart. Oh, that's awesome. You know what the best part is? Nobody back home actually knows our travel itinerary because we don't really know our travel itinerary. So there's literally nobody on earth who knows that we're two idiots in a closed park with nobody around going hiking. So if something happens, nobody knows we're missing. Wow. Yeah. All right. First time in either of our lives seeing a glacier. Glaciers in back there, chunks of it off, floating down in this melting area, rolling down. And I had no idea what we were gonna see walking up here. And since we're in such a hurry, I left the camera in the car. So I can't take any like zoomed in pictures out there, except for a cell phone. This is super cool looking. The best part about cutting it so close to night, no tourists. Nobody. You get to enjoy this in complete peace and quiet. Mine and our dumbasses talking to the camera and making a ruckus with our feet. That is awesome. It's like, oh, just staring at a wall of ice with volcanic ash in it. Looks amazing. I would bet it has dropped 15 degrees since we've made it into this valley, staring at a big sheet of ice. Got another river running in from over on that side. Well, we're gonna snap some pictures, stand and stare at this for a minute in silence and just listen to Mother Nature, beat feet, and get back to the car before it's so dark that we can't see. I decided to come for a run. She quit on me. She's all the way back up top there. I see a sign that says you can't go any further, so that's where I need to get to. If you go further, you've got risks, quicksand, ice, falling rocks, crevices. Okay, maybe I shouldn't go any further. Could hear water running down the side of the mountain there, or the cliff there. I am so bummed we didn't get out early enough today to have an hour to go back and hike this glacier. It would be freaking amazing. So far, after one day here, I would highly recommend visiting Iceland if you can, if you love nature, and if you just love seeing just undisturbed beauty. It's phenomenal. Back at the apartment, midnight, we failed miserably at getting dinner. We looked up a couple places that said they were open till 1 in the morning. We get there, they're open till 1 in the morning to serve alcohol. Kitchen closed at like 9. Stopped at a hot dog stand. Worst hot dogs in the world. Literally threw them in the garbage. So we've got some Doritos, essentially. But we did 400 kilometers of driving today, so about 248 miles, I think, and walked God only knows how many steps. So we're gonna go crash. And then tomorrow we'll find breakfast and try and figure out a plan. I think we're gonna look for some artwork because we wanna collect a piece of art from each of the countries we visit. And people are harassing us for souvenirs. So I will not buy souvenirs and bring them back in our luggage because we don't check bags and we don't have room for that. So I've gotta find either like a DHL or a FedEx close by. If I can find that, then we'll buy some souvenirs and just ship them home for people and tell them, shut up. So good night. We will catch you on day 2 tomorrow
After snacks.
after snacks.